Yeah, I would definitely recommend the Trade Mastermind. If you're looking to expand your business, it's a great company to go for. My name's Joseph Hamer. My business is called H Systems, and we specialise in doing boiler replacements in South Wales. So the problem that I had before joining Trade Mastermind was learning the systems and processes, not getting enough leads, and Trade Mastermind has helped with that massively. So Trade Mastermind helped me with Paul going through with different customers and objections, showing us how to correctly handle the leads, employing people to handle the leads and follow up the process of the sales. Those are a few of the options that have helped us out. Probably the most valuable is, I suppose each module for the 12-month period is really valuable. Every session, the more you can come to these events, the more you can learn and develop your business. So I would say the whole process. Yeah, I would definitely recommend the Trade Mastermind. If you're looking to expand your business, it's a great company to go for. So yeah.